Considering how many different Zojirushi rice cookers there are on the market, it can be hard to differentiate all the options. So I decided to throw myself into the world of Zojirushi rice cookers to find out what the best Zojirushi rice cooker truly is. Links to each of the top contenders are in the description box. If you're looking for the best budget Zojirushi rice cooker, then this versatile and user-friendly Zojirushi rice cooker is an excellent choice for small households seeking perfectly cooked rice and steamed foods. Also available in 3-cup and 10-cup sizes, the Zojirushi 6-cup rice cooker offers a straightforward approach to cooking rice and steaming foods. With its compact design and 6-cup capacity, it's ideal for small families or individuals who enjoy rice as a regular part of their meals. The single switch operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Just add rice and water, flip the switch, and let the cooker do its magic. You'll appreciate the versatility of this appliance. Not only does it excel at cooking rice, but it also comes with a stainless steel steaming tray. This allows you to steam vegetables, fish, or dumplings while your rice cooks below, making it a great tool for preparing complete meals efficiently. The see-through glass lid is a handy feature that lets you monitor your food as it cooks. Once your rice is done, the automatic keep warm function kicks in, ensuring your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to eat. This is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple dishes or if family members eat at different times. Cleaning up after meals is a breeze with this rice cooker. The non-stick inner cooking pan is removable and easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The durable Stay Cool handles are a thoughtful safety feature, allowing you to move the cooker even when it's hot without risking burns. For added convenience, the Zojirushi rice cooker comes with a measuring cup and spatula. The removable cord makes for easy storage, which is great if you have limited counter or cabinet space. While it may lack the advanced features of more expensive models, its simplicity and reliability make it a solid choice for those who want a no-fuss way to cook perfect rice every time. Next up in my Zojirushi rice cooker comparison, we have the Zojirushi metallic gray rice cooker, which brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen while delivering perfectly cooked rice every time. I really like the metallic gray version myself, but you can also get different designs depending on your preferences. Its sleek design houses some impressive technology that you'll appreciate with each use. The one-touch operation system makes it a breeze to start cooking, even when you're in a rush. You'll be amazed at how the triple heater technology transforms your rice. This feature conducts heat from the bottom, side, and lid, ensuring even cooking throughout, so you can say goodbye to undercooked centers or burnt bottoms. Your rice will be fluffy and delicious from edge to edge. Cleaning up after cooking is a snap with this Zojirushi model. The inner lid detaches for easy washing, and the non-stick coated inner pan prevents stubborn rice from sticking. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The automatic keep warm function is a game changer for busy households. Once your rice is done, the cooker switches to keep warm mode, maintaining the perfect serving temperature for hours. This feature is especially handy when family members eat at different times or when you're entertaining guests. With a 5.5 cup capacity, this cooker is ideal for small to medium-sized families, although a 10-cup version is available for purchase as well. It comes with handy accessories like a measuring cup, spatula, and spatula holder, giving you everything you need to start cooking right away. The Loctite lid with a push-button release adds an extra layer of safety and convenience to your cooking experience. The number 5 product on my Zojirushi rice cooker review is the Zojirushi NS LGC 05XB Micom rice cooker, which I rate as the best Zojirushi rice cooker for smaller portions. The Zojirushi NS LGC 05XB Micom rice cooker and warmer packs a punch with its array of cooking functions. You'll be amazed at how this little powerhouse can handle white rice, sushi rice, brown rice, and even steel-cut oatmeal with ease. The multi-menu options take the guesswork out of cooking different grains, ensuring you get perfect results every time. One of the standout features is the triple heater system, With heating elements in the bottom, side, and lid, your rice cooks evenly from all angles. This technology mimics the ideal cooking environment, resulting in fluffy, perfectly textured rice that will elevate your meals. The compact size of this rice cooker makes it ideal for small kitchens or if you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people. Its retractable cord adds to its space-saving design, allowing for easy storage when not in use. Don't let its size fool you though. This 3-cup capacity cooker can still produce enough rice for several servings. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design elements that make this rice cooker user-friendly. The removable inner lid is easy to clean, and the steam vent cap prevents messy overflows during high-temperature cooking. The interchangeable melody and beep signal lets you customize your cooking experience to your liking. The Micom microcomputer technology is the brains behind this rice cooker's exceptional performance. It automatically adjusts cooking temperature and time, taking into account factors like the type of rice and the amount of water used. This smart feature ensures consistent results, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice. Taking the number 4 spot on my Zojirushi rice cooker reviews list is the Zojirushi NW 18BA pressure induction heating rice cooker, which is the largest Zojirushi rice cooker in this comparison. This high-tech rice cooker is a game changer for rice enthusiasts seeking restaurant-quality results at home. The Zojirushi NW 18BA pressure induction heating rice cooker takes rice cooking to the next level with its cutting-edge induction heating technology. You'll be amazed at how this machine transforms your everyday rice into fluffy, perfectly cooked grains that rival your favorite restaurants. What sets this cooker apart is its AI-powered fuzzy logic. It's like having a rice expert in your kitchen, adjusting cooking cycles to nail the perfect texture every time. Whether you're cooking jasmine, basmati, or brown rice, this smart cooker has got you covered. Pressure cooking is where this Zojirushi really shines. With 3 pressure levels and 4 different settings, you can fine-tune your rice's texture to your exact liking. Want sticky sushi rice? No problem. Prefer a firmer texture for your pilaf? It's just a button press away. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze too. The stainless steel inner lid is detachable and washable, while the flat interior wipes clean easily. You'll appreciate these features when you're rushing to get dinner on the table. Made in Japan, this rice cooker showcases Zojirushi's commitment to quality. It's built to last with a clear-coated stainless steel exterior that looks sleek in any kitchen. While it's a bit pricier than basic models, the results speak for themselves. You're investing in years of perfect rice. Next up in my Zojirushi rice cooker comparison is the Zojirushi NS ZCC 10.5½ cup Neuro fuzzy rice cooker, which brings cutting-edge technology to your kitchen with its advanced fuzzy logic system, adapts cooking time and temperature, ensuring your rice turns out just right every time. You'll appreciate the convenience of multiple menu settings, allowing you to prepare various types of rice and even porridge with ease. This rice cooker's 5.5 cup capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized households. The spherical non-stick inner pan promotes even heating, while the LCD display makes it simple to navigate through the different functions. You'll find the extended keep warm and reheat cycles particularly useful for busy schedules. One of the standout features is the device's ability to cook mixed rice, which can be tricky to perfect. The Neuro fuzzy technology adjusts cooking parameters to accommodate different ingredients, resulting in well-cooked, flavorful mixed rice dishes. You'll also enjoy the sweet rice setting for preparing sticky rice desserts. The quick cooking option is a real time saver when you're in a hurry. While it may not produce results as perfect as the regular settings, it's still a handy feature for those busy weeknights. The rinse-free rice setting is another convenient option, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Cleaning is super simple thanks to the detachable inner lid and non-stick cooking pan. The retractable cord makes for tidy storage, and the included accessories like measuring cups and a rice spatula add to the overall value. While it may take some time to familiarize yourself with all the features, You'll find that this rice cooker elevates your rice cooking game significantly. Now, for the runner-up in my Zojirushi rice cooker model comparison, and it's a good one. This versatile Zojirushi rice cooker is a great investment for anyone who loves perfectly cooked rice and values convenience in the kitchen. For me, it's the best value Zojirushi on the market at the moment. The Zojirushi NS TSC10 brings cutting-edge technology to your kitchen with its microcomputerized fuzzy logic control. This smart feature allows the cooker to make fine adjustments to cooking time and temperature, ensuring your rice comes out just right every time. You'll appreciate how it takes the guesswork out of preparing various types of rice, from fluffy white to sticky sushi rice. With a generous 5.5 cup uncooked capacity, this model is perfect for families or those who like to meal prep. The clear-coated stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek on your countertop, but also wipes clean easily. You'll find the retractable power cord a neat touch, helping to keep your kitchen tidy when the cooker isn't in use. You'll love the versatility this rice cooker offers. Beyond just cooking rice, it doubles as a steamer, allowing you to prepare healthy vegetable sides or even steam fish while your rice cooks below. The automatic keep warm and extended keep warm functions mean your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature, whether you're ready to eat right away or a few hours later. The NSTSC10 comes with some thoughtful extras that enhance your cooking experience. The interchangeable melody and beep signal lets you customize notifications to your preference. You'll find the included measuring cup and spatula handy for precise rice preparation and serving. The spatula holder is a small but appreciated detail, keeping your counter clean and organized. For those busy days, you'll appreciate the delay timer feature. Set it up to 13 hours in advance, and you'll come home to freshly cooked rice ready to serve. The reheating cycle is another convenient option, perfect for warming up leftover rice without drying it out. With all these features packed into one appliance, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this Zojirushi rice cooker in your kitchen. So, what is the best Zojirushi rice cooker that you can buy? Out of all the products in my Zojirushi rice cooker reviews, and out of all the best Zojirushi rice cooker models on the market, I'd say that the Zojirushi NP-HCC Induction Heating System rice cooker is the best Zojirushi rice cooker to buy. This top-tier rice cooker delivers consistently perfect rice with its advanced induction heating technology and versatile cooking options. The Zojirushi NP-HCC 10XXH takes rice cooking to the next level with its induction heating system. You'll notice the difference in your rice quality right away. The cooker uses a triple heater design, warming the rice from the bottom, sides, and lid for even cooking throughout. You've got plenty of options with this machine. White, brown, GABA, sushi, mixed, sweet, and porridge settings let you craft the perfect rice for any meal. The GABA brown rice setting is particularly noteworthy, activating beneficial nutrients in the rice during the cooking process. The clear LCD display makes it easy to select your desired setting and keep track of cooking progress. You'll appreciate the convenience of the delay timer, allowing you to have fresh rice ready exactly when you need it. The keep warm function maintains your rice at the ideal serving temperature for hours. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the clear-coated stainless steel exterior. Simply wipe it down, and it's good as new. The inner cooking pan has a non-stick coating, preventing rice from sticking and making cleanup quick and easy. While it may take a bit longer to cook rice compared to basic models, the results are worth the wait. You'll enjoy restaurant-quality rice every time, with perfect texture and flavor. The 1.0 liter capacity is ideal for small to medium households, providing enough rice for several servings. And there you have it, my list of the best Zojirushi rice cookers. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product mentioned are in the description.